So you're thinking of streaming on Twitch, but don't know a ton about it. If you're planning to use it to stream, here are some things you might not expect about it as a new user. Twitch is not a place where you discover people. Even though they push streams on their front page, these are already established streamers. You will not be seeing streams with 0 views on this page, so if you're a new streamer, Twitch will not be pushing your stream whatsoever. If people want to find your stream, they must be following you already, scrolling through a certain tag or game, or coming from someone else's stream through a raid. It's not often that people actively search for new streamers through tags, so it's extremely rare to be found that way. It's best to build your audience outside of Twitch rather than in it. A sad fact about Twitch is that 93% of streamers have 5 or less viewers on Twitch. For those who watch big streamers with hundreds or even thousands of viewers, streaming to only a few people may seem really disheartening. If you get 11 or more viewers, you are looking at the top 3%, and 11 is not considered a huge amount usually. There are over 10 million people streaming who have not reached affiliate, which means they either don't stream that much and are not looking to be a well-known streamer, or they can't reach the 3 viewer average and 50 follower threshold. Even though I used Twitch before I became a VTuber, those were 2 things I didn't really know about before I started, and I thought it'd be good to share since they're relatively major things and are pretty surprising if you don't expect it. Or maybe that's just me. Either way, I hope this helped in some way. If you don't know how to sub Twitch, I'll have a video for that coming up next. Bye bye!